Hello guys, Alem here, and today I'll be showing how to solder this graphic chip from the motherboard. So to solder this, you need of course, you need a hot air gun. We turn it on. Adjust the air, so we won't need much of an air. Temperature is rising. I set the temperature to 450 degrees. When it's at 450, we can start. Okay, so 435, a little bit more. Okay, perfect. So let's start applying the flux. So now we need to apply the flux. Okay, so once we're done with applying the flux, we need to start heating up. So I need to take Okay, so we just got off our graphic chip. So this is hot. This is a bottom of a graphic chip. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.